Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Abuturabtech please. On our today's tutorial, we are going to talk about faucetpay. Now, faucetpay is an online cryptocurrency wallet which enable you to receive cryptocurrency from any site, like any faucetpay site. So please, if you know you have not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you can receive the latest update from us. So we're talking about faucetpay. So you search on faucetpay.io. I'm going to release the link on my description, on my video description, which you will use to direct you to sign up directly. So faucetpay, you register as a user. After register, now I'm going to teach you how you can register your account. Let me log out from this my account so that you can register. On the link I'm going to drop, it's going to redirect you to this page, which is register, which a place you are going to fill your form. So you input your username, your Gmail, you repeat your Gmail, your password, and accept the terms and condition. Solve a robot, which solve I'm not, I'm a woman, which is robot. So after registration, you redirect to login page. I have an account and I want to log in. So after then you solve the robot before you can log in. So you solve the captcha. So you solve the captcha, living room. And you click on verified. So as you can see, I've already registered my account. This is it, and these are the crypto which are available on it. You can also earn a point which actually you can convert to their faucetpay coin. Now please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because in our next video I'm going to show you how you can earn money in faucetpay. First of all, everybody know you can also deposit and withdraw your coins from this wallet after you have received coin from an online website or from a friend. So now if you want to receive money, you click on the deposit, then you copy the address of the coin you want to receive from a coin. You copy the address, Tron, Zcash, or any other coin you want to be 20 and other. As you can see, I've also been receiving money from this account, which have been credit, as you can see. So, and if you want to also withdraw your money to any other account, you can link your account. Now you click on the coin you want to withdraw. Now let me say like Litecoin. Let me say Litecoin. Then I don't have already link account. The reason why you should link your account is because you will input the address you want to withdraw your coin into. Then you click on read link. You input the address, you select the address you want to link. Let me say that I want to link Litecoin. Then you link it and you place your withdrawal. Sometimes, as you can see, we have probability 5 minutes withdraw, and we also have 4 hours withdraw. They just put these 4 hours there. If you can exercise patience, it will drop in a minute. The reason why I said you should not choose the 5 minute withdraw is because they will charge you a lot and it may even cost a loss of coin. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that in my next tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can earn money from factual pay.